Welcome to Vidya Vaibhav Public School. The first topic we are going to learn here is shape your lid. This is for the month of November. So here I am showing you two different types of pencil. So one is sharp and one is rounded. Okay, two different pencil. So we'll see how the stroke is working in the sharp edges. A first pencil. And using a cutter, you can see here, using a cutter, I'm going to cut exactly in the center. So can you see the stroke here? Can you see it's exactly flat? And if you start with the stroke, you will get a shaded stroke. Okay, it will be feel like dark to light. So one, I'm using the stroke left to right and up to down. So try it in the same way. And the other stroke I'm using in the normal pencil, which is like rounded. So 1, 2 and 3. So we learned three different types of strokes in a pencil. And then with the same stroke you can work like this, rounded and rounded. So here you will get a shade. So when you are doing with the normal pencil, you will not get a shade. Shade means you will be having a dark to light. So here you will be getting a shade. Then here you will not get a shade. It will be like completely flat. Okay, here we will not get a shade. So this is what the technique we learned with the shape using lead. So here we learned three different types of pencil. One is like sharp, and other one is flat, and other one is rounded. The second topic we are learning here is shaping pencil tips working with value. This is for the month of November. So draw a box like this. Eight box and two long rectangular like this. So as per the direction, I am doing in the all the direction, dark to light, and again from dark to light. I am doing in the all the direction, up, down, left, right, and in between also. So even you should do in the same direction. You should practice in the same direction. So always it should be work in the dark to light. After practicing with the square, here we are using the other shape as a circle. So this also we are drawing 8 types of circles, and direction will be the same, left, right, up, down and in between. See, the stroke I'm using, it's a curvely. I'm not using left and right. Here I'm using a curve. So direction will be the same, and here you are doing with a circle. So once you are practiced with the square and circle, here we are moving to a rectangle. From down to up, it should be dark to light. And other is up to down. So the pencil shading we learned the square, circle and rectangular. The first topic we learned 3 different types of pencil, how to use a stroke. The second topic, shaping pencil tips, working with value. Thank you.